Unlocking English Mastery. Adverb Placement in Conditional Inverted Sentences. Hello, English learners. Today, we're delving into a very important, but slightly complex topic. Adverb placement in conditional inverted sentences. We'll take a close look at how adverbs can be strategically placed to make your sentences more nuanced and powerful. Ready? Let's get started. First things first, what are inverted sentences? In English, the typical word order is subject-verb-object, SVO. But in inverted sentences, the verb often comes before the subject. For example, instead of saying, "She is here," we could say, "Here she is." We typically use inverted sentences to add emphasis or drama, or in conditional phrases. Before we delve into the heart of the topic, let's refresh our understanding of basic adverb placement. Normally, adverbs can be placed in three positions in a sentence. 1. At the beginning, e.g., sometimes, I watch movies. 2. In the middle, e.g., I sometimes watch movies. 3. At the end, e.g., I watch movies sometimes. In inverted sentences, the placement of the adverb can shift slightly. For instance, consider the sentence, "Rarely do I miss a day of exercise." Here, the adverb, rarely, is at the start of the sentence, emphasizing the rarity of the situation. Now, let's talk about conditional sentences. These are sentences that express hypothetical situations or depend on certain conditions, often signaled by words like if, unless, provided that, etc. In these sentences, adverbs can be used to modify the condition. Consider the sentence, "If ever you need help, call me." Here, the adverb, ever, modifies the condition, emphasizing that at any time if you need help, you should call. Finally, we arrive at the crux of our discussion, adverb placement in conditional inverted sentences. In these sentences, adverbs are often placed at the beginning of the sentence for emphasis. Take this sentence as an example. "Only then did I realize the truth." Here, the phrase, "only then," which functions as an adverb, is placed at the beginning of the sentence, and the verb, did, is inverted with the subject, I, for emphasis. And there we have it, folks. Hopefully, this guide to adverb placement in conditional inverted sentences has clarified this complex aspect of English grammar for you. Remember, language mastery is all about practice. So try using these structures in your daily English conversations and writings. As always, keep learning, keep practicing, and you'll soon become a pro at English. Until next time, happy learning!